Hey guys, I'm Dave and welcome back to the Driver's Lounge. It's been a few months since we last uploaded a video, so I'm super keen to get this out there to you guys. Happy 2020, happy new year. Big decade ahead for everyone. I hope you're all working towards your dreams and absolutely crushing it so far. I just got back from watching the Conor McGregor versus Donald Cowboy Cerrone fight, and what a fight. It was incredible. Shit, McGregor is an absolute weapon to put Cowboy down just like that. It was really cool. Anyway guys, I wanted to give you a bit of an update as to what I've actually been up to. So if you guys have been on the channel before, you would have seen that I've got the RX-7, which is the Series 2. So an SA22C in most parts of the world. And I also have an AE86 Corolla with a Beams 3SGE and 6-speed swap. So in about September last year, I decided that it was time to actually freshen up the AE86. I wanted to paint it, mainly because I was thinking about selling it. But I've sort of fallen in love with this car, and whether I sell it or not, you know, that time will tell. But I've sort of taken a bit longer to get this thing painted than I had initially planned. Anyway, I thought I'd do a bit of a quick video and update you guys where I'm at with it, because I'm sort of at the stage now where I will really persevere and get this thing finished as soon as I can, or I'm going to just put it to a paint shop and pay them to do it for me. I've had a bit of an adventure, I guess is probably one way to put it, of painting this car, but I've definitely learned some things along the way, and I guess it's been a journey. So I'm going to spin the camera around and show you guys what the 86 looks like right now. So you're looking at the AE86 at the moment. It's not much to look at, but I'll see if I can find some old videos or old photos of it. But the paint basically was just, it's covered in dust. It was absolutely shagged. It was all cracked. Whoever painted it the last time, because it wasn't originally red, it was a blue car. Whoever painted it red really did a shocking job, and it really came to show, I guess, after however long it's been painted red for. I think the prep was done quite poorly on it. Not that what I've done necessarily may be a heat better, but I was really just trying to give it a bit of a freshen up. It's always good. It's been a track car. It's always going to be, you know, a car that's able to be taken on the track. So it doesn't have to be bloody collector's worthy. But I recently got a D-Max front bar. I've got to do a couple little repairs here for it, but it's actually in pretty good shape. And a lot of the car actually went back to bare metal. The bonnet went to bare metal. The roof's gone to bare metal, and I've sort of filled any low spots. There were some rust repairs done, where I've taken out all old rust and bloody rust killed it, and sort of just filled it up as best I can, gotten it flush. I still need to, well, after it's painted, I still need to get some carpets for it. Excuse me. You can get some carpets for a couple $100. I'm going to order them, and a new steering wheel as well down the track. As you can see, I've sort of started priming some stuff, but really I was sort of just frustrated with myself, and I am pretty disappointed in myself because I skipped ahead and I really should have repaired these guards better. But at the time I was just thinking, you know, it's going to be on the track anyway, so who cares? Let's just get it painted and get it back on the street, because I really miss driving it. So I've done a bit of bog work over these guards. I'll need to go over it again because I want to fill these little pinholes. See if I can find any. Oh, just like this sort of stuff. There we go. So I need to still put more attention on that while the sanding or whatever it is. I just need to basically finish it, pull my finger out. So like I said, most of it went to bare metal, but now I want to, I guess, I'm sort of tossing up whether to give it to a shop and get them to do it one more time and do it as 100%, so that I'm just happy with it forever. Because if I keep it, I don't want to have to paint it again. But that's the AE86. It still runs, drives, it's a complete car. I've just stripped it, but I'm getting close to getting it back on the road, so I can't bloody wait. The RX-7, to be honest guys, it's pretty much exactly as you last saw it, which is a pain in the ass. All the interior for the AE86, I've painted it all black. Got my seats there, so they've all got to go back in it. So really it's going to be nice and black. I'll clean it right up inside. I might even paint the the interior where it's the back bit where it's all grey, just to really freshen it back up. It's gonna look awesome. I had steelies on it, I've sold them. I just got these to roll it around on, but they're way too small. They're like, I don't know, 6.5 inches or something like that. And the beams will absolutely fry them, so need to get some fat wheels to fill these guards. But that's the 86, guys. And I really just wanted to make a video to say, hey, we're still here. We've been trying to comment and reply to all the messages on YouTube as much as we can. And we've been putting stuff on Instagram every now and then. Trent has been building the 32 GDR, and he's got heaps of stuff to talk about. I'll leave that for him when he puts a video up. But hopefully, guys, we're gonna have heaps of new footage for you in the coming year. Got a lot of projects on the go, and we've got some pretty big things in the works. So that should allow for a lot more filming and a lot more creativity, which I'm really looking forward to, because I want to keep making videos. I get a lot out of it. I really enjoy sort of documenting everything I do, and it's going to be great to be able to look back on it when I'm, you know, an old fella. I've got Wilder. He's my son. He's nearly 2 now, so he already has a fair bit to look back on, as you know, from when he was a little baby. And we've got another little bub coming in the end of April. So lots happening, lots of filming to do, lots of documenting, lots of creating. Can't wait. But that's 86, guys. RX-7. We've got a big year ahead of us. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see on the channel in the coming year. And hit subscribe. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Catch ya.